Hello subscribers, today our topic are short circuit switching capacity of an electrical device and their definition. First we have a clearly that discuss about the short circuit. What is a short circuit? Short circuit means unwanted situation is created by an electrical devices during a line completing their loops. A short circuit is a neutral is started within a phase or a phase to phase short or a joint together due to creating a fault condition or a fault relation between a line or completing the loop of a electrical. So we are please subscribe our channel to get the more videos like this, electrical videos like this. Please keep subscribe me and support me. Thank you. Still not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. So we are focusing on our topic. What is a switching capacity? The switching capacity is a RMS value of a current at a given power factor as well as given a related voltage at which a switch gear or a fuse can be still shut off under a specific condition in operating a safe way. Means a short circuit is a controls or a cut off a circuit during the operation of electrical devices and also controls the devices from their damages. Both the short circuit making capacity as well as the short circuit breaking capacity of a circuit breaker must be larger than and equal to the proposed or a proposed short circuit current at the place of installation. If this is an important case to suitable for a backup protections, for example, the fuse should be provided to the insurance of a recording and the switching capacity of a devices combination. Data recording devices and the backup protection are given in the technical documentations. Related short circuit making capacity or the related short circuit making capacity is in the quantity according to the regulation must be certain to the ratio of a related ultimate short circuit and breaking capacity and that has been granted to the devices for manufacturing. This is not a variable must be considered by using however it ensures the circuit breakers in a position and connected to the short circuit and disconnection in sub quantities. Related of a short circuit capacity is the making distance between the related ultimate short circuit breaking capacity and the related service short circuit breaking capacities. These are controlling on a difference between the short circuit and their device. It's in a relation to on and off any device before their damage or a safely operation on it. If an unwanted situation is created between the protection devices and electrical devices which are operating on an electrical system are given any output to the plant. The maximum breaking capacity of a circuit breaker of a associated related operation voltage and under specific conditions expressed the must be a latest in the large short circuit current at a site of installation. Circuit breaker is a have a related into switches in the ultimate short circuit breaking capacity and reduce the service cable afterward and should be less checking and regarding Functionally, there may be a changing in overloading tripping characters and increase the temperature and rise due to the erosions of a contact materials. Any electrical system have any service time or any service time and the maintenance time. The value are usually lower for a circuit breaker that has been a switching off at the level of a circuit short breaker breaking capacity continue to the serviceable afterward means it's an interval to be to service on it. In a plant which is interrupting to the operation must be keep it as short as possible as product selection from a carried out the basic on it. You have arranged a maintenance as soon as possible to interrupt or control the damages from devices means it will be operate on a properly. The same applies on the fuse as a circuit breaker which is respect to the breaking capacity of an tripping. At the given related operation voltage, the related breaking capacity must be at least a large and the prospective short circuit current at a site of installation. Resources low voltage switchgear in the control gas or these devices are used on the control the circuit breakers. Thank you watching for my video. Please keep subscribe me and support me. Still subscribe, not subscribe yet. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.